Hey everyone, James Brown here. I just wanted to say hi and welcome to Team DBVPF, where we're going to develop dreamers, believers, visionaries, and passionate freedompreneurs out of everyone on this team. So, while we're doing this, it's going to take some time and we're all going to have to learn different things in order to create an income on the internet. So, the first thing you want to do, guys, is you need to make a commitment for at least a year before you, in your mind, decide to walk away, because you're not going to learn everything you need to know in a very short period of time. Okay, if you trust even the best on the internet and you do exactly what they say and go as you and stumble forward as you are confused, not knowing what you're doing, you still, within a year, even if you make a ton of money, you still will not know what you're doing until after a year period. So uh, uh, today, all I'm going to do is share with you something simple. We can go over some future things in future videos, but right now, I just want to share with you on the screen how to do a Google Hangouts, because whenever you learn how to do something, you want to be able to share it with the team or with others or with different people that are out there. You could even take this video and model it and do it for practice to the world and start creating a video series for a YouTube account or something. But okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to type in Google Hangouts Live, and you make sure it says broadcast for free, because there's plenty of Google Hangouts in the air. Make sure you say broadcast for free Google Hangouts on the air. Click on that. And then it says create a Hangout on the air. Just go ahead, click on that. And give it a name. Any name you want, just whatever. Team DBVPF Google Hangouts training. Okay, so you don't even have to tell people what it's about. You can just you can put whoever you want in your audience here, guys. I'm just gonna send it to myself here. So James Brown. Oops. Make sure you're in the box. James Brown. Okay, so James Brown. I can just do myself. I mean, you can do anybody you want. You can get it out there to everybody. I'm just giving you an example so I can send this to myself. Nobody else can see it except me. I can share it. So whoever you want to share it with, go ahead and share it with the public if you want. And everybody will see what you're doing. And then right here at the bottom it says start. So you just go ahead, click on start, and it's going to pop up a screen of you looking at yourself on the video. Up here, notice guys, this is a link that you're going to give out so other people can get on the Hangout. I just want to share that with you before you get started. But yeah, you can invite more guests here if you forgot to add them. If you want to keep the people over 18 on this call, you can do that. But you don't want to limit people from seeing this unless you're, doing something where you want to focus on people above 18. Maybe if you have a business with, gambling or something like that, poker or something, and you can't even really work with anybody underage. But then you might want to click that box. But there are a lot of teens that are actually on the internet. Just go ahead, click skip like I just did. And what I was saying is there's a lot of teens on the internet that are actually making really good money. A lot of them are making more than a lot of the adults that I'm seeing that are out there, because people, believe it or not, in this day and age, just kind of tend to be a little bit more smarter with the internet because they're growing up with this stuff. So it's a little harder to get the baby boomers and the different generations that have not been on the internet to get more involved, but they can do it, and they bring a lot of wisdom when they do fight through the learning curve. But anyway, so guys, what I want to show you here is in order to get on the air live, the first thing you want to do is go down here. Let me see if I can move this out of the way for a second. So go down here to start broadcast and just click on that. And it says you're about to broadcast live on Google Plus and YouTube. You can broadcast for up to 8 hours. Not that you need that, but you can do it for that long if you need to. Anyway, so I want to make this as short as possible. So right up here, just go over a couple things. It's starting. It's live down here. This Hangout is live. And make it bigger on the screen. Okay, so what I want to show you again, like I said, this link, you can share this link to other people. Let me just show you how to do that. So I'm gonna right click on that, copy it. I'm going to minimize the screen. I'm gonna go to Facebook and I'm gonna go to myself and let's see here. I am going to send it to myself. You can just copy, paste it right there. And if another person gets this, they can click on it and it will take them directly to a Hangout. Now, I can't do this. You won't be able to see what happens on the other end just because, you know, I can join it, but it's going to say you're already in a video call. So you can't really do anything here. But what I can do is, let me see, I'll go to the Google Hangouts again. Down here, there's some links here, okay? So on these links, you got the event page. This actually goes to your Google Plus account, and it plays right on your Google Plus site. So if people go there or they see it in the thread, they can click on it, and it's live, literally. And then this right here is right on your YouTube account. So make sure you have a Gmail account and a Google Plus account and a YouTube account so that these can be set up there. Eventually you'll learn how to do keywords research to be able to get it ranked and people can start watching this stuff. And then down here, this is a video embed code. You can, if you have a blog, you can actually upload this to your blog if you have the Empower Network blog. If you're an iPass 2 and you don't have the blog yet, make sure you get the bronze package because that's where you can get a blog. And you can use your trainings and actually do some keyword research, and I can teach you guys how to do that on another video. But you can post this blog or this video that you record right on your blog. Jennifer, for you might be able to use your other company and create a like a meeting about what, you know, the different products and whatnot, and put it right on your blog. And it's already recorded, and people can go and watch that for the rest of your life. It'll always be on there. And you can actually, Google ranks YouTube videos. So if you learn keyword research, you can take that and put it right onto YouTube and have it ranked. And your blog will rank too, especially with all the back end stuff that Empower's doing with our blog. So I just want to share that with you. And any of you guys, if you're with any other company, I know Eric, you're doing you and your wife are doing the things with I believe it's a vacuum systems out there in Vegas, but I'm not sure if any of the other guys have anything else going on. But guys, just know there's some lot of great things that you can do when you have a blog. You can brand yourself and you set yourself apart from the rest of the industry that's out there, because people are looking for something more creative, more different, and leaders. And when you have that, most people don't. You set yourself apart from the rest of the industry. So use it, get it and use it. And you'll learn more and more as you go along, the more and more you use it. But anyway, so guys, if you want to share your screen, go to this green button right here with a little arrow, and then you can go to the entire screen. There's some other ways you can share your screen too, but just click on this. I use this all the time. You share your entire screen, and then what it's going to do is it's going to share whatever you have on your screen with the rest of the audience. And let's see here. Oops, wrong thing. All right, so this is, notice how it's changing. See how you can see my Facebook thing in the screen on the Google Hangout. So guys, you're going to be able to share whatever is on your screen, and you can go through different stuff, whatever you're, looking at, if you want to show this on your screen, whatever. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, you can go through and see what this does if you want to see what this does here on the links. If you want, here, I'll just pull it up just so you can see what it is. So I copy this. This is the YouTube page. So let me show you here. I can X out of this and pull up the YouTube page. Actually, see, this is what the Google Hangout page looks like right here. Notice this. This is right on my, hosted by James Brown. This must be a different account that I don't have anybody on. Anyways, I have like 30 of these accounts, at least 10 of them. Anyway, so yeah. So this is what the Google Plus link takes you to. Just to show you real quick while we're on the screen already. This is this link right here. You can copy and paste inside the URL, and that's the same link right here. It takes you to this, and you can start this live, and you can watch it live right on your Google Plus page. Anyway, so I'm going to paste the other link. This is to your YouTube, and it's just going to go to YouTube, guys. On your YouTube page, yeah, it's nice. There's a lot of people on YouTube, but on YouTube, I want you to know, I mean, like on YouTube, there's so many distractions. And the only way you're going to keep somebody on your video usually is if you're saying something that's going to catch their attention. So when you get on your Hangout, you want to be able to share, you want to brand yourself. You say, hey, James Brown here, and share a little bit about your story. You want to share where you have been, what you've gone through, and what you've discovered, about the internet or something. And then you share what you've learned, and you could do, 3 different things 3 points about that, and then do some sort of close. You can sell something if you want, whatever it may be. Now check this out. So this is the live Google Hangout here. It's going to kick in a second, but you'll start hearing my voice eventually on it. But it's about 50 seconds behind what you're recording on the Hangout itself, just so you know. And another thing is you can use this on there's a webinar platform that I can show you guys how to use, and you can actually put this on a webinar platform eventually in the future, and you can have like on the side, instead of videos like this, you can actually have a chat, and people can talk back and forth to you while you're live on the webinar. And you can set the webinar up live, collect emails to build a list, and people will come in there, and you're basically the leader, you're the guru, and they look at you. So this is what people usually see. Stand by before it starts. Actually, did I broadcast it? Let's see. Oh yeah, should be broadcasting. I wonder why. Oh, it's just loading. Yeah, it's just my computer's slow. But anyway, so gotta get a MacBook Pro. But anyways, guys, yeah, this will start playing eventually, and just know that that people are not going to hear you as you're saying it. They're going to hear you about 50 seconds, 45 seconds to a minute after you. So if you ask somebody to text you or something like that, it may be even a little bit longer for the text to happen. But you can literally get on and hang out and talk to people, post it to Facebook, post it to your blog, whatever, and you can have people text you back and forth, say, hey, text this number, and if you're interested in this, blah blah blah. So many different great things that you can do using webinars. But I'm sharing this with you so that you guys can learn something and start getting on video and start sharing it with the world and practicing these things and start building up your presence in video marketing. Because on YouTube, if you do not have like 200 to 500 videos in the next year, you're not going to be doing well on the internet. Okay. So you're going to be a miserable failure in the beginning, guys. So don't worry about how you sound. Just start doing it. Nobody's looking at your stuff. And even in the future, when they start to look, you're not going to care about what you look like in the past because you look so much better now in the future. So don't care about that stuff. But that's it, guys. Um, I just wanted to share a quick video in under 20 minutes. One more thing, guys. I just wanted to show you how to stop the broadcast. But before I do, I just wanted to share with you. See this little blue thing here? This is a chat box right on YouTube that you can use. So you can just type in whatever you want, and it pops up right here. And you can have a conversation with all the people that you have, like 7 or 8 different people right on the YouTube, and you can have conversation with them. Now, when you stop this broadcast, just click there, and you're done, and the live people can't hear you anymore, but you can have a conversation with everybody that's still on the Google Hangout that you shared this link with up here. So, I just wanted to share that last final stuff with you guys. Welcome to the team. And I look forward to providing some value for you to help you guys get going in your business and make some money online. And go ahead and ask any more questions you might have inside of the chat. And if you'd like to have shorter videos, I can do that for you as well. Just let me know if these are too long, and I can make them quick and sweet. You know, it's less connection, but I can make them a little bit more quicker and sweeter for you guys, so you can get the power stuff behind it and move on and move quicker too. I know I appreciate that a lot myself. But if you'd like to hear a little bit more about, you know, my dreams, my passions, you know, different things like that, where I'm going, our vision, you know, then don't share anything, because I will be sharing with stuff like that on different videos in the future. But love you guys. Thank you for being a part of this. We're going to be doing some great things together, and I look forward to getting to know you guys all better and helping you guys get some success in your business. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care.